Hi everyone, I am Nancy. Welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm a career consultant and a job search strategist. I'm also a founder of CareerViews. If you've not subscribed to my channel, please do click the subscribe button and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss any career tips from me. Today in this video, I'm going to talk about how to choose between two job offers. And also I would give my tips on how to politely decline an offer. What you must consider while choosing between two offers is, first of all, is it an official offer? Some companies just send you an email, don't consider it as an offer. So if you've received an official offer, that's where the comparison begins. Second thing, the financial aspect. Which offer pays you better? Third thing, what are the impacts of this offer on your personal life? Take opinion about the offer with your family. While making a comparison, it's a good idea to understand the company's reputation. The offers you have in hand, always make sure to understand what is the media news about the company. Always consider company's reputation and your job security while making a choice. Lastly, go through the job description and have a look which offer utilizes your skills better, where you could contribute more towards the company's growth and the growth of yourself. Company culture and growth potential is also a point to consider. When it comes to job offer, it's very important to listen to your inner voice. Always see what kind of a feeling you're getting about the offer. Listen to your gut feeling and always follow whatever advice is coming from within you. The final tip, always go by your gut feeling. Even if you have two offers to compare or just one, always listen to your gut, what it says about the offer. If you don't get a good feeling, don't go for it. After carefully choosing the offer, the next step would be declining the other. I'm going to share this template with you, which would tell you the exact wordings to be used while you want to professionally decline an offer. To start with, always begin from thanking the organization for giving you an opportunity for the specific job title. Thank the interviewers for taking out time to meet you. Always give them a reason why you are declining the offer. It's good to mention that you have got another offer somewhere. No need to go in too much of a detail, but do tell them that you have another offer. While closing your decline email, make sure you show gratitude and give your best wishes to the organization. The organization has invested time in preparing this offer, interviewing you, and going through the entire process. So they do receive a thank you note and a genuine reason for keeping you under consideration. Make sure before sending the decline email, you sign the actual offer. Have your signed copy ready and all the formalities that are required to be done for you to have an official employment before declining the other offer in hand. Good luck for the new beginnings, and do subscribe to CareerViews for more career tips like this. Do visit our website www.careerviews.com for any career services that you may need. Thanks for watching.